What's good, everybody? It's your boy 8X. Today I'm going to be teaching you a very simple yet profitable strategy that can take you from zero to profitable. I call it the candle color reversal pattern, or CCRP for short. This isn't a concept I invented, but it's a very important part of my trading edge, and the best part, it's very easy to understand for those that are new or experienced in trading. So let's dive right in. So what is the candle color reversal pattern? The candle color reversal pattern is a reversal signal that forms after a series of consecutive candles of the same color. And here's how it works. The pattern is confirmed when the second candle after the reversal candle breaks the high or the low of the reversal candle. Let me break that down with a couple of examples. Now imagine you see 3 consecutive red candles, and on the next candle, price closes green. This is our reversal candle. If the following candle breaks above the high of this green candle, or what we like to call the trigger candle, that's your signal to go long. Now, the logic here is simple. After a series of selling pressure, the market signals that buyers are stepping in and the trend is shifting upward. Now, let's flip the scenario. Let's say you see 5 consecutive green candles, and on the next candle, price closes red. This is our reversal candle. If the following candle breaks below the low of this red candle, that's your signal to go short. In this example, the consecutive buying pressure stalls, and the market indicates that sellers are taking over, signaling a potential downward trend. Now, the CCRP is similar to the hammer or shooter in how it becomes actionable. Just like with a hammer and a shooter, where you must wait for the following candle for the hammer or the shooter to become actionable, that's the same with the CCRP. You confirm the entry if the next candle actually goes 2 up above a green candle or goes 2 down below a red candle, following the consecutive trend of the opposite color. Just because you see a potential CCRP developing doesn't mean you jump in right away. You must wait for that next candle to trigger to take your entry. Now let's walk through a couple of examples to solidify the concept. Here we have SPY on the 2-week chart. You can see that SPY had a really nice rally. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 green candles. Then on the 12th candle, it closes red. Following the 12th candle closing red, you can see we get the candle color reversal pattern to the downside when it triggers to down on that reversal candle. In the same chart, we can see another candle color reversal pattern. Back in the summer rally of 2023, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green candles to the upside. Then the 11th candle closes red. Following the 11th candle closing red, you can see we got that follow through in continuation to the downside once we triggered the low of that red candle. Now, let's look at another example with a CCRP to the upside. Let's look at Disney on the 3-week chart. We got some selling pressure. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles to the downside. After that 8th candle, you can see that the 9th candle closed green with a 1-3 setup, which happens to be one of our setups that we like to trade. For those of you that haven't seen the most powerful actionable signal in trading, make sure you also check that video out as well. After we got our 1-3 setup, we got the follow through the next candle closing green, and we got the CCRP pattern that continued on for an additional 6 weeks. 3 candle right here, that would be our trigger candle, and we're just waiting for the following candle to trigger to up or break the high of the candle for us to go long. And you see that it was a pretty successful trade for us. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have KO on the daily chart. Remember, you can use this strategy on any time frame. Here we have KO on the daily, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles to the downside, and the 6th candle closed green and inside. We know that the inside bar is an actionable signal, and if you use that in alignment with the CCRP, those are 2 confluences to potentially go long. The next candle triggered a 2-1-2 reversal to the upside, and you see that we continue to go up for 2 more days. CCRP worked in this example. Now, the CCRP, just like with any strategy, is not going to be at 100%. We know that no strategy is 100%, so you just have to remember that. Here's an example where we see DPZ on the yearly chart. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 green candles to the upside, and the 14th candle closed red. You would think, okay, if the next candle triggers 2 down or the low of the candle, time to go short. Well, you could have went short on the next candle, but you could see you got a liquidity sweep just for it to turn green and hammer on the yearly. So this is an example where the CCRP didn't actually play out, even though you did trigger the low of that red candle. No strategy works 100%. Another example right here is DIA, where if you're anticipating the CCRP and wanting to get in early, it wouldn't have worked out in your case. In this case, we see that DIA on the monthly with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles green to the upside. The 6th candle closed red, but the next candle didn't even trigger 2 down or the low of the red candle. Therefore, the CCRP was never actionable. Just like in the case with the hammer and the shooter, you needed to trigger 2 up from the hammer for it to become actionable and 2 down off of the shooter for that to become actionable. And in this case, it wasn't actionable and we continue to see the TTO to the upside. I'd like to say that the CCRP works in most cases and it works on any time frame and any ticker. You just need to study it for yourself to see if it can apply it in your trading. QCOM, we had a CCRP on the 3-day chart, and the beauty about this trade is that we also had a potential broadening formation reversal pattern as well, an additional confluence. We got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days to the downside, and on the 6th candle, it closed green, and we got the follow through the next candle and the candle after that. So the CCRP worked in this case. Let's look at another example. Here we have IWM on the daily chart. And the beauty about the candle color reversal pattern is that you can use it with additional confluences that you already have in your tool belt. In this case, we see that IWM gave us a 1-3 setup at OTE or the golden zone or discount with the candle color reversal pattern as well. So we have discount or golden zone, 1-3 setup, one of our favorite strat combos that we like to trade, and a candle color reversal. 3 confluences that potentially tell us to go long. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles to the downside, the 6th candle closed green. We wait for the follow through or continuation for the trigger candle, and we get that 1-3-2 expando to the upside. Let's take another example, Apple. Here we have a candle color reversal pattern paired up with a break of structure used as support or an SR flip, whatever you want to call it. And you can see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles to the downside, and that 5th red candle went outside bar down. Then the 6th candle closed green and an inside bar. Now you have a break of structure tap as well as a 3-1 setup paired with the candle color reversal pattern that you could take back to the upside with full time frame continuity. And you see that Apple did get that follow through 3-1-2 see you later to the upside. Last but not least, you can use the candle color reversal pattern to find reversals in the broader market. Let's take a look at the VIX on the daily. Here you can see that VIX had a candle color reversal pattern setup. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days to the downside, then the 6th day closed green, and you can see that follow through the next day. Interesting about this day, we had a feeling that the market would see some downside based off the fact that we were hammering and we had a candle color reversal at broadening formation lows. So you can see that the candle color reversal pattern can be used on any ticker, any sector, any indice, and any time frame. The beauty about this strategy is that it is very simple. All you are looking for is consecutive candles of one color, and then you are looking for the next candle to close the opposite color to potentially signal a reversal. If the following candle after the reversal candle actually triggers the low, if it was a red candle, or a high, if it was a green candle, that confirms the potential candle color reversal pattern. Now remember, it does not work 100% of the time, but try it out for yourself and you'll see that it works most times than not. So there you have it, the candle color reversal pattern. Simple to use, effective, and versatile. Add this to your toolkit and you'll have another powerful confluence to add to your trading journey. Our biggest Black Friday sale is now live. New members get to enjoy Diamond for $45 a month every single month. You get access to alerts for stocks, options, and futures, live trading through market open to market close, 8x Trades University, which includes a catalog of all our recorded videos and lessons. Also, daily and weekend charting sessions, and a dope community to trade alongside with every single day. The team has been going crazy this past month. I'm talking about 100% wins, 200%, 300, 400, 500, even 1,000% wins all across the board. But the best part is that members have been learning. They've been taking trades on their own. They've been finding their edge, profit off these setups, take their wins, and withdraw their profits from their accounts. This is what it's about, and you can have the opportunity to do so as well. Now, this sale is going to be running till the end of the year. So if you have any family members, friends, or colleagues that want to learn how to start trading, tell them to join today so they can be a part of a dope community that's willing to teach you how to trade. Join today, excited to start trading with you. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading strategy. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite strategy that you like to trade? Until next time, happy trading.